What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm doing some royal jellies right now. I just bought loads and it really hurt me because I did not want to spend all my honey.
Hey, Toxic.
Yep, I got Percy Thomas here with me. Okay, I'm really hoping for a new gifted today. Got a Shy, Carpenter, Riley, Commander.
I hope you get like a gifted. Do you have a gifted Riley?
Yes.
I hope you get a gifted. Can I see if I'm mine. Do you have a gifted honey?
No.
I hope you get what gifted bee is the best in the game?
Probably a gifted mythic.
Did you get mythics out of royal jelly?
Yes. 1 in 25,000.
Let me see. What?
I don't think I'm actually gonna get anything.
Are you sure? Because that's 89. Because you didn't have 89. That was a lot, Toxic.
Oh, no! I ended on a commander.
Are you serious?
$6 million today.
Let me just try to feed my king beetle.
Okay, I'm gonna grind in Cactus Field.
I'm just going to feed my king beetle. I never did it yet. Okay, Toxic.
Okay.
And my king beetle. Of course, now I could do it because one, I have gifted one. I have a vicious. Two, I have a gifted
Rage.
Yeah, and three, I have the beekeeper's boots, and now I could go faster by gliding. Oh my God! I almost got hurt by the king. Yeah. Oh, he's almost he's halfway already on my first attempt. Oh my God, someone's with me. Who is who? Well, actually, I know mine is following me. Who will be ours first? Looks like it's mine. Because I don't really see his stamp.
You guys, I know I have said this before, but if you open this present right here, you get a free festive bee egg. So go check that out if you have 8 ornaments. I currently have 7, but yeah. If you already have one, it gives you 500 tickets, obviously. 29 reward if you don't have all the ticket 10 event bees. Which I would personally get Tabby, but
Go! Oh, go! That was close.
oh yeah, I need to defeat my King Beetle.
Oh, his is close. So my goodness. Mine is
And
good.
guys, currently we are on 51 million red pollen from the cactus field. I will record when I'm done with this.
Yeah,
So,
good. I
Coming
wish
in.
I had a gifted vicious. Who will be there first? Me or Toxic? I know it's me.
Yeah, because I just dropped down.
Yeah.
Mine's almost down. Watch this. I'm going to kill him in one shot. Boom, he's already dead.
Okay,
Looks like we got some ant passes there.
What?
Ant pass. Blue
Okay,
extract,
so
3 royal jelly.
I'm going to transfer
100
my
blueberries
bubble
isn't
to
bad.
Commander. Bumble.
I really need to start feeding my bees. I need one to get to level 10.
I need 3 to be level 9. I also want one to be gifted.
And I'm going to go with leveling up my gifted brave.
Wait, you have a gifted brave?
Yep. Okay, 84 moon charms going in.
Watch this.
Improved by 21,000 bond.
Gifted rad? No.
Let's go blueberries. Okay. That.
Diamond.
Wait.
Let's go with diamond. Gifted? No.
Wait.
No
Okay.
gifted diamond.
2,000 treats.
Diamond bee? Do you have a gifted diamond bee?
Nope.
Yeah, same. I do have a regular
Ooh,
one.
he improved a lot, guys.
I have 5 tickets. I can't get anything with 5 tickets. Okay, I'm going to do it.
Okay.
That hurts.
Guys, I'm gonna grind a bit off camera. Facing pumpkin patch.
No, nothing works. Nothing works. I have 6.
We got a face over here in pumpkin patch. And don't forget, later, my Rewind 2018 to 2020 will be coming out. I mean, 2018 to 2019 will be coming out later on today. So don't forget, stay tuned for that.
What?
So yeah.
What does that mean?
It is a rewind of everything I've done on my channel.
On 2019?
Yep.
2019? Wow. When do you just start making videos?
I started making them, I think, in the end of 2018. So guys, that's going to end the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
Yep, goodbye.
Yeet.